Have you heard how good Malayalam cinema is? If you haven't, you can hear from me. It's amazing. It's best in the country. I know it's very daunting to watch films from other language that you don't speak or understand, and it's really confusing where to start from. Don't worry, I'm here to help. I got 5 recommendations for you and where to watch them. Hello guys, I'm Nona Prince and I have been exploring Malayalam cinema for the last 2 years now, and I've done more than 50 movie reviews and more videos on Malayalam cinema. You can check them out here, and I can attest to you that Malayalam cinema is good and it deserves everyone's attention. Easily the best films of the country come from Kerala. And I wanted to share this with people who haven't discovered it yet, and I want them to discover it the right way so they don't get lost. So I've curated a list for the beginners, a kind of a starter pack to get into Malayalam cinema. I reviewed all the 5 films I'm talking about, so you can check them out here. Now of course there were some parameters according to which I created the list. First of all, they had to be good films. Second of all, most important, they should be available on a major platform for easy accessibility. And third, it should be an easy watch. You know, because for a new person watching films with subtitles, it's really hard and it takes time to get habitual to it. Also, sometimes there can be a lot of cultural things you will not understand at first. So I've taken movies just simple to understand and that there's not a lot of cultural things which will go over your head, because I know it's very easy to get lost. Now before I begin, if you find any value in the video, hit the like button, share this video with your friends and help them too, and also consider subscribing. Now the first recommendation is Bangalore Days. The movie is available on Disney Plus Hotstar. I think it's a movie everyone can relate to. It's about 3 friends. It's a coming of age story. It talks about life, love, marriage and more. And I think what will win you will be the cast. And if you don't know these actors, I'll tell you, consider this movie like a Kabhi Khushi Kabhie Gham, which had 6 big stars in one film. Same goes for this film. The 6-7 actors in this film are today's biggest stars of Malayalam cinema. Second recommendation is Thondi Mutlam Saksham. Don't worry, you may feel it's impossible to pronounce this, but once you get it, it's very easy. This one is also available on Disney Plus Hotstar. It's a very simple yet amazing story. The whole film revolves around one incident and one place, that's it. And I'll not say anything more about this film because it will spoil your experience. This is a gem of a movie and you should definitely watch it. Starring one of the best actors in India according to me, Fahad Faasil. The third film is Kumbalangi Nights. It's available on Amazon Prime. A story about 4 brothers. The film talks about family coming together, life, love, marriage, and also a major theme is masculinity. Again, an amazing cast, and you'll be transported to this place in Kerala while watching it. The fourth is The Great Indian Kitchen, again available on Amazon Prime Video. Easily one of the best films of 2021, and it should be sent to Oscars. The film is very relatable. Anyone in the world can watch this film. Very few dialogues, so you don't have to worry about subtitles. Will not say anything else to spoil it, but amazing film. And the fifth one is Joji, which recently released on Amazon Prime, and I'm sure if you follow films, you would have heard about this film. It's somewhat inspired by Macbeth, but it's not an adaptation. Again stars Fahad Faasil, and I'm sure after watching this film, you'll fall in love with him. The whole film was shot in lockdown, but it will not make you feel that. Again, one of the best of 2021. So guys, those are my 5 recommendations for you. If you find the recommendations useful, do share it with other people. Do let me know your thoughts after watching the films in the comments below. You can check out my reviews for each of the film on top. And if you want more recommendations, let me know. So thank you for watching. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button, share this video, let me know in the comments your thoughts. If you haven't subscribed yet, check out the videos if you like them too. Do consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.